Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to clean the code we wrote so far, make it modular, make it easier to use, and then replace different components later as we go along the course. So this is the rec framework. We sent a query to our index, to our search, which is a min search implementation. Then we build a prompt, send it to an LLM, in our case GPT-4o, and then get the answer. And this is the implementation that we made in the last couple of videos. So here we index everything, we retrieve the results, we build the prompt, and then we send the prompt to OpenAI. So now I want to put everything together. So first, the first function, I want to clean it, make it more modular, put everything together, and break it down into simple functions. So clean the code we have wrote so far. So I'll first start with a function called search, and here we will have query. So here I will basically take this piece of code and put it here. So this is what we have, and I'll just return the results. And of course here instead of Q we have query, and let me just quickly check that it works. How do I run Kafka? And then it retrieves some questions about Kafka. And here, we limit our answers only to data engineering Zoomcamp course. So this is our search function. Then the next function is we want to turn, let me actually put it back. So we want to turn these documents, results, we want to turn these documents into a prompt. So we have some code here for that. I'll just put it together, and over here build prompt. So here we need to have a query, and we need to have the context, right? So we have the prompt template, we have the let's actually call it search results, and then the content, then we have the prompt, and this is what we return, prompt. Let's see if it works. So I'll put this into query. So this one works, this one query, and search results. So we have the prompt, and now we need to put this prompt. Let's move it here. I'll keep everything in one line. Now let me also put the logic for invoking the GPT. I'll clean it a little bit. So we don't need this anymore. So I'll take this one. So this will be LLM. So LLM gets in the prompt and gives back some answer. So this is what we do. So now answer LLM prompt. So we get in the user query, we perform the search, we build the prompt from the search results, and we get the answer from the LLM. And this is nothing else but an implementation of this flow. So now each of the steps we expressed in functions. And let us try to execute that. So what does answer contain? Yeah. Well, probably there is no answer to that question, but let's try how do I enroll. The course just started. How do I enroll? Okay. I don't know. Maybe let's play with this a little bit. I'll change the prompt slightly. Okay. Yeah, well, it's not correct. I don't know. We probably need to debug. Let's see if the search results actually contain the questions. What can I do before the course? Can I follow the course after it finishes? Yeah, the course already started. Can I enroll? Yeah, good, it works. Well, as you see, there is still some room for improvement. So probably if we played with this and added a little bit more results, we can actually do that right now by changing the number of results to 10. And what I wanted to ask, like, how do I run Kafka? Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, let me see. I think we have made a mistake somewhere. Search results. Yeah, I think this is the error. This is the problem. So query should be not queue but query. Context is context. And let us execute things one more time. Yeah. Well, now the mystery solved. I was just not careful. We can play with these parameters too. So let me see if 5 answers is actually enough. Yeah, this is enough. So now what we can do is put everything into a simple function that we can call brag. And then now it's even simpler. We'll just do brag query, and then it should give us the answers. The core has already started. Can I still enroll? Yeah. So now we have put everything together, and you can see that now it's pretty straightforward to play with different components. So now, for example, if instead of min search we want to use Elasticsearch, what we need to do is just replace this function with something else, and we will have Elasticsearch. Or if we want to have a different LLM, we would replace this function. We will probably need to change this one a little bit, but now we can put this RAG framework into code, and now it's way easier to understand what exactly is happening. And each of these functions is independent, so we can plug and play how we want. Okay, so that's all for now. And in the next video, I want to show you how to replace min search with Elasticsearch.